They say there's plenty of fish in the sea. So how come I just keep catching crabs? I've had time to mull it over, and I think I need to up my fishing game with some new tech. This is the gadget I've been baiting for. It's the ReelSonar wireless Bluetooth smart fish finder. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're Review to You. We review all the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of the video how you can enter the drawing to get this product, so stay tuned. When we were kids, our fathers used to take us fishing down by the river. We'd spend hours just sitting, talking, and not catching a damn thing. It turns out there weren't any fish in that river. There never was. I loved the time with my dad, but the best part of going fishing is catching fish. These days, you can take a lot of the guesswork and pointless hours out of fishing and turn that into catching with the ReelSonar wireless Bluetooth smart fish finder, also known as the iBobber. Specs and features. Straight out of the box, there's not a lot to the iBobber. There's the iBobber itself, a carry pouch, and charging dock with cable. And that's it. Connectivity comes via an iPhone or Android app that you'll have to download separately. The iBobber, the part that you'll be casting into the water, well, it's made out of high-quality tempered plastic, sealed to be waterproof, and is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. You'll also find a small hole to attach a line for casting or drifting behind your boat or kayak. Inside the app are a range of sensors and tools that do everything from map the waterway floor, identify fish numbers and sizes, displays water temperature and depth readings, and much, much more. It's all powered by an inbuilt lithium battery that can give up to 10 hours of continuous operation before needing a recharge. The app also features GPS spot tagging, trip logging, fish and strike alarms, as well as a whole range of share options for social media. For kayakers and boat fishermen, the iBobber can be left trailing your craft to give you an accurate sonar map of the water directly around you at all times. So, what do we like about the iBobber from ReelSonar? The iBobber feels high-tech, especially if you've never used a fish finder before. Connection is easy, and you can get almost instant real-time data from the iBobber app. The red LED beacon is also super handy for night fishing, so you don't lose this bad boy. We interrupt this amazing review video for a special giveaway alert. To celebrate hitting 2,000 subscribers, Review to You is giving away a $100 Amazon gift card to one lucky subscriber. To be entered into this special giveaway, just click our community tab and tell us how you heard about Review to You by responding to the poll. Then leave a comment below it and tell us what city you live in. We'll randomly select one winner from everybody that commented and participated in the poll and announce the winner on October 1st on the community tab. Now back to our regularly scheduled programming. So, what's the downside? Looking at the size of the plastic around the hole you use to attach your fishing line, it doesn't seem too overly strong. I can see that plastic snapping after a particularly strong cast, so there's a chance you could lose your iBobber if you get too enthusiastic. We also found that the battery life doesn't really hold up against the claims on the box either. After a few hours of use, we'd spent 3/4 of the battery, way less than the 10 hours it promised. Its depth mapping skills maxed out at 135 feet, so the iBobber is not going to be super useful in the open ocean. What are other people saying about the iBobber from ReelSonar? David Joyner writes, "It did not accurately show the depth of the water and has had a hard time telling the difference between fish, a rock, or a log. But the iBobber did have some fans." Mojo Rising writes, "Setting up was surprisingly a breeze. Instructions were simple to use even for a novice user of electronics. Mapping by bank kept us moving along the water's edge until fish were present." So, what's the verdict? The ReelSonar wireless Bluetooth iBobber is a fun gadget that can definitely bring some fun and a slight competitive edge to your fishing adventure. However, a few battery and technical limitations still put it in the entry-level position when compared to some of the other brands on the market. We give it a rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. And the iBobber from ReelSonar could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules, as they always are very simple. Just make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.